Hello, y'all on YouTube. This is Rob with Rob's Nerdy Knives. Hey, today we have something really special to open from HMC Knives. I sent something in for spot treatment. Let's see what happened. Today I'm opening up my knife with my Prince Customs Protean. This is with the Dragon scales. Polished the back spacer, Damascus clip. Beautiful Wharncliffe blade. A little polish there. I thought that would be nice. Let's see what we have here. I think this is going to be pretty cool. I sent it in a padded thing. This is what they normally come in, like this, right here. You get this Magnacut black ceramic contoured black camo carbon. Oh, so he updated this. Oh, that's cool. Well, originally it was a little different. So let's take a look what we have here. This is going to be pretty stinking cool. Oh, yes, here we are. Oh my goodness. Oh, there's a pivot collar on too. Wow. Look at that. Look at that carbon fiber. Oh, wow. Wow. Okay, here we go. Oh, look at that. Beautiful. Oh, I missed you. I've missed you, my little transient. Here we are. That's that nice crispy detent. Oh, I love it. Such a crispy, and it's always got this, like, I call it the best non-front flipping front flipper. I love that. Oh man, look at that. That is gorgeous. Look at that back spacer. Yeah. So I asked if I could pay to get carbon fiber scales, just because once I got the knife, I loved it and I carry it a lot and I use it a lot, which is really crazy. I know for some people this is like an untouchable grail, but man, I just like using this knife. And it's just a comfortable knife to use. But I thought, when I saw his carbon fiber, I thought, is there some way? Is there a possible? So I asked him for, I think, maybe a year. And then he had some spot treatments, some special spot treatments open. And I asked if I could, if he ever had the materials, would he be willing to do that? And he found some material. He reached out to me and said, hey, I said, absolutely, absolutely. Look at this. So if you don't know anything about HMC knives, these are USA made production knives. Well, I call them custom. All right. So he does use some CNC. There's no question about that. I know some of you guys out there like it's not custom if they use any CNC. I disagree, but that's okay. We can agree to disagree. But this is all hand done by Jim himself, and just really outstanding work. Now I like the brown G10. I thought it was beautiful, very functional, very useful. But man, when I saw its carbon fiber, I thought, oh, that's the stuff. That's the stuff right there. Now, if he had dropped this, I would never have had a chance to get one. So the long way around, the little more expensive way around is the way to go, at least this particular scenario. So I'm so grateful to him. Not always possible, but I think I might have just snuck in right at the right time. So, oh man, look at that weight relief on the scales. Still super, ooh, and it's still super slicey. Ooh, yep. So got to be careful about that. Got to catch it there and then let it drop, or else it's gonna get me. But it's still super slicey. I love this whole knife. I think it's gorgeous. Dead nut center, of course, just simply stunning. It is inset liner lock, which makes it a beautiful left-hand reverse flick as well. The flipper is fantastic. You get on there, great jimping, easy to catch, everything. I love that. So for me, that's just outstanding. I simply love that. So fantastic little knife. Let's do a close-up here. So here we are, hollow grind, Magnacut blade steel 6364 HRC. Beautiful hollow grind all the way around like this. Now it was a little more acid washed. I did kind of polish it because I felt like it was such a beautiful blade. It needed to pop. Okay. And then these are the scales that were upgraded. It was a brown G10, which was done fantastic. They were some of the best G10s I've ever had. Contoured, weight relief, perfect fit finish, everything. But now we have this gorgeous, and the pivot collar on top of that. That's like a little bonus. I was not expecting that, but I will take that because it looks amazing. And these scales are simply stunning. Now here's the back spacer you'll see back there. This jimping right here works really wonderful. It's great for catching for holding, locking your hand in and everything. So like if I'm here, I'm locked in completely. So yeah, and then just beautiful all the way around. And then we go over here. Here's that titanium clip right there. Great. I don't know if we can catch that. Yeah, you can see the weight relief in there on both sides. And the inset liner lock right there. So beautiful right there. Look at that. Nice pivot collar on there. And there's the blade. Crazy, crazy sharp as always. I love so slicey how thin that hollow grind is. The only billboarding you see is right there is a impression like a embossed HMC, which to me is absolutely sublimely beautiful and perfect. I don't know if you could make it look any better because it's artistic, yet it doesn't distract from the rest of the knife. It lets you know who it is, but it doesn't distract. And I think I don't know if you could do it better than that. You don't see a whole bunch of billboarding on the knife, which I personally appreciate. Now, billboarding, some of it can be nice if it's done aesthetically. Like, for instance, the Protean, the way Princeton does it, he just does that. And I mean, you almost don't even know it's there unless you know where to look. And I think that's awesome. But I love what the Transient does here. I think it's absolutely stupendous. Left-handed reverse flick. So let's go back out. All right, so here we are. See if we can get a nice angle with the hollow grind. We can show off that hollow grind. Because the hollow grind is just absolutely stunning. I think the hollow grind is just one of the most exquisite things that's there. Here, let's see if we can do it this way. Can we get the right angle? Come on, help me out here. Lights. These hollow grinds are fantastic. So it's like trying to find the right hollow grind. It's going to be challenging here for me, at least today. But you can see it. It's gorgeous. That carbon fiber is crazy amazing. All right. I love this thing. I think it's amazing. I think it's stupendous. The action is still crisp as normal. Beautiful. It feels brand new, like it's still breaking in. And he uses very, very little oil, which to me is fine. I'm good with that. So I think it's absolutely stunning. Stunning, stunning, stunning. So just a really gorgeous knife here, I think. I think you guys will agree. Just simply amazing. Look at that carbon fiber. Ah, yes, yes. Give me that carbon fiber. There's carbon fiber and then there's carbon fiber, and this is really stunning. Look at that. Nice, nice. All right, missed this guy. There we go. Let me know what you all think about this. Are you fans of this at all? I'm kind of curious. So I like the Transient. I don't know if you do. I think it's a gorgeous knife. I think it's a very functional knife. The ergonomics are just superb. They really work well in hand. They're comfortable. You can choke up really well. You can be back here if you need to. It's got great jimping right there. That's really functional. Beautiful swedge. I would call it a flat back blade, but hollow grind, which is just really a great compromise between so many things. So yeah, this is just an unboxing of my spa treatment and beautiful scales. Jim did an outstanding job. I've always liked the Transient, but I like it a little bit more now. And I feel like it's definitely worth a lot more to me now. So there you go. All right. Let me know what your thoughts are down below. I'd love to hear your comments on this. If you like it, you think it's cool, you think it's a nice upgrade, you think it's was it worth it or not? I'm fine either way, but I think it's worth it. I just love to hear your thoughts. Just because, sometimes you guys got some insights that's interesting. We don't always have to agree. That's okay. We don't have to agree. Perfect. Fine. All right. If you found this content fun, interesting, entertaining, or just fun, informative, I don't know, would you consider hitting that like button down below? And if you've already hit that like button, maybe also consider hitting the subscribe button as well. Subscribing and liking the channel, it really does help out. We're trying to get to that, where some people think that we can hit 20K in this year. I don't know if that's possible, but if we hit 15K this year, that I will be blown away. That would be amazing. But I don't expect that. But if we keep growing, it's because of you guys liking, subscribing, and I appreciate that. So just let you know. If you enjoy the content and everything, and you don't want to miss anything, there is a notification button as well that you might want to click so you can be notified of this and other future contents. Big shout out. Thank you to my channel members. You do two things because of your memberships. You encourage me just by being members. So thank you. Really do appreciate that. And because of your generous support of being members, you help me to do things that I didn't think I could do in this channel. For instance, we have a once a week budget banger giveaways. I'm able to borrow knives, cover cost of shipping, all sorts of stuff. So thank you to you guys out there. I really do appreciate you guys are huge. Thank you. If you haven't already, didn't know this, I do two things for channel members, right? One, brand new channel members, I'd love to email you a channel sticker and a thank you note. So any channel member, just email me your name and address, tell me you're a brand new channel member, and I will mail you a channel sticker and a thank you note. Secondly, all channel members are eligible for the once a month members exclusive giveaway. So each week we have a budget banger giveaway, but that 1 week in a month, there'll be 2 giveaways, and you are eligible for both of them. You can win both. The budget banger giveaway, obviously budget banger, but the members exclusive giveaway is usually a little bit nicer. Something hopefully you'd enjoy winning or giving, winning as a prize or giving as a gift, right? So that's my hope. And if that sounds interesting, there's a link down below in the description. I have 3 different tiers. Would love to have you. Don't ever feel pressure to do it. Do it because you want to. But if you choose to do so, thank you. Sincerely, thank you. And some of you guys are asking, hey, I thought there's other stuff. Yes, there is special emojis for here, comments, live stream. There is kazoo salutes. Yes, 1 year, 2 year, 3 year anniversary special stuff. Yes, there is exclusive content. All that stuff is true. It's my small way to say thank you and let you know how much I appreciate you. All right. If any of that sounds cool, love to have you as a member. But don't ever feel obligated. Just enjoy you being here, watching, being part of the community. That means a lot to me too. If you haven't already, check me out on Instagram at robs_nerdy_knives. Again, that's on Instagram at robs_nerdy_knives. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day and a great week.